Did you know that Bitcoin has seen an astonishing growth of over 6,000% in just a few years? That's right, from just a few cents to tens of thousands of dollars. What does this mean for our economy and the future of money? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Bitcoin, the revolutionary digital currency that's changing the game in the financial world. It's not just a buzzword anymore, it's a big deal. So, what's the magic behind Bitcoin? Let's unravel this together. Now, let's talk about the challenges that Bitcoin faces. First off, there's volatility. One day, Bitcoin can soar to new heights, and the next, it might plummet like a rock. This wild price action makes it tough for folks to see it as a stable investment or a reliable currency. Then, there's security. With so many stories about hacks and scams, people often wonder, is my Bitcoin safe? And let's not forget regulatory concerns. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to handle this digital currency, which adds another layer of uncertainty. It's no wonder that some people are hesitant about jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon. Alright, so what makes Bitcoin tick? It all boils down to its underlying technology, blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized nature means there's no single point of failure, which is great for security. Plus, because it's open source, anyone can check the code and verify transactions. This transparency builds trust among users. So, while Bitcoin might be volatile, its technology is like a fortress. The decentralization aspect also means that no government or institution controls it, giving users more freedom. This is a huge shift from traditional banking systems, where you're at the mercy of regulations and fees. Let's highlight a key moment in Bitcoin's journey. Remember the price surge in December 2017? Bitcoin shot up to nearly $20,000. It was everywhere in the news, and people were buzzing about it. That surge wasn't just a price spike, it marked a turning point for Bitcoin's mainstream adoption. Suddenly, everyone wanted to understand what Bitcoin was and how it worked. This moment opened the floodgates for new investors and sparked interest from institutional players, leading to the development of countless other cryptocurrencies. It showcased Bitcoin's transformative potential and solidified its place in the financial landscape. So, to wrap it all up, Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a fascinating experiment in technology, economics, and human behavior. From its challenges like volatility and security concerns to its incredible technology and history-making moments, Bitcoin has proven itself to be a captivating topic that keeps evolving. Now it's your turn. What do you think about Bitcoin and its future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're curious about the latest trends in cryptocurrency, don't forget to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.